Hi bazala bami zitho, welcome to Mgosi with Magatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami zitho, it's about ingane zakaMusa Mseleku. Guys, I feel like ingane zakaMusa Mseleku they need help. Angathi nje mhlambe kumele kube nomsebenzanyana oyenziwayo. Guys, today uMpilonhle Mseleku posted a video saying bekasesibhedlela. A video guys ase hospital uthi she just went there because she was not feeling well. Bengathi une constipation. After she later found out that bekumele admit esibhedlela. This thing she took it very lightly, can't, it's a huge thing. So I guess umpilonhle bangekho right. And sometimes guys it's just medical things. Maybe nami ngihaba ukuthi kumele yenze umsebenzi, but we did see on yesterday's episode that uLwandle naye he was involved in the car accident, and even uMusa Mseleku cried when he narrated what really happened. Indlela imoto ispine ngayo, indlela yenze ngayo accident, uthi it was inhlanhla nje ngomusa kaJehova uthi uLwandle futhi ubuye endlini asaphila, or ubuwazela ukudriver from where the accident happened uthi azafika endlini akachayiswa ngayo umuntu. uLwandle uchaza ukuthi bakabuye eDurban, kuthiwa bakabuye kubo intombi yakhe eDurban, and on his way back home imvula ngabe ngathi beyinetha endleleni bokugcwele amanzi, imoto ispinile, and indlela ayichaza ngayo they didn't show the part where achaza sonke istory, but they did show babakhe la akhala khona, and babakhe uthi indlela ayichaza ngayo iyatshengisa ukuthi bokumusa kaJehova nje ukuthi abuye. And what made babakhe ukuthi akhale, it's because uyachaza ukuthi if ubaba uLwandle akabuyanga endlini asaphila, people bokuzoblame yena, because there are a lot of speculations that saying uMusa Mseleku uthwele. There's no way ukuthi uMusa Mseleku angathola ngendlela leyo, angaba nale mali anayo. And amanye, some of the family members, remember they did say ukuthi uMusa Mseleku uthwele, and abantu abashonayo emzini wakaGog Flow, it's because of uMusa Mseleku. The brother owayekhipha istatement also said ukuthi uMusa Mseleku abantu mabazoshona yena uqala yenza umsebenzi. So into emzwisa ubuhlungu ukuthi bokuzothi uthwele ngengane yakhe, kanti no, akatholanga ngengane yakhe. Guys, I've been saying ukuthi mina these all allegations and speculations of uMusa Mseleku uthwele, I do not believe them. I do not believe ukuthi uMusa Mseleku urich ngale ndlela, and even if beka rich ngale bekayiphiliyone, I would believe ukuthi it's through hard work yakhe, guys. And I don't understand ukuthi why black men they see anything wrong or something wrong when another black man is rich, guys. I do not get it. I'll never get it, because I do believe that if a white man can become a billionaire within angazi 10 years, a black man can also do it. It is normal. That means okwenzeka ebantwini abamhlophe kungayenzeka nasebantwini abamnyama. You understand? It's just that uNkulunkulu wakho nendlozi, and also a hard work. I believe mina ukuthi uMusa Mseleku whatever now is because of hard work. And remember, even the lifestyle ayiphilayo, it's an easiest lifestyle. The lifestyle engaphila umuntu nje osebenzela kahle a normal job. kaMusa Mseleku will never find abafazi baMusa Mseleku bagcoke designer clothes. Only uMakhumalo, but we also know that uMakhumalo naye unomsebenzi wakhe awuyenzayo, and you'll never find abantwana baMusa Mseleku wearing designer clothes. Even isikole abaya kuso ukuthi sikuthi it's not that expensive. So that means abantwana baMusa Mseleku baphila nje a normal life efana nayo wonke umuntu. Uhlala emakhaya, I think lapha namanzi awabhadalwa. If uyawabhadala, I don't think that expensive. Ubhadala amanzi nogesi kuphela, because the only wife or that is confirmed ukuthi uhlala kakhe and it's indawo engathi ithuthukile engathi setown, it's the first wife, only the first wife. And even then bathenga iland bakha, it's not like ukuthi ibond is something that they pay every month. You understand? So mina I believe ukuthi uMusa Mseleku is through a hard work, but I am so happy that Umpilo did say ukuthi seka right ubuyelile futhi nasemsebenzi wakhe, because losing umntwana is a hardest thing, and it's something that I do not even wish on isitha sam, because I do not think uMusa Mseleku bakazocope after if umntwana one wakhe bakangashona. Futhi since there are lot of speculations or rumors saying uthwele, angithola bazala bami zitho. So please do comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.